In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can upload photos from your phone to your Google Drive. You can do this on either an iPhone or an Android, so it doesn't matter which device you're on. And if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With all notifications on, it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. If you don't already have it, obviously go ahead and download Google Drive from either the App Store or the Google Play Store. And once you are in the app, what you're going to want to do is actually find the option for files down in the bottom right corner. Now, honestly, I would recommend creating a folder here just so you do stay organized. So go ahead and tap the little plus icon, tap folder, and name it something like photos, for example, and then hit create. From here, go ahead and open up this folder and you're going to see nothing in it. But what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually press this little plus icon and then go ahead and select upload file. Go ahead and choose photos and videos and it's going to go ahead and open up your albums page. It looks something like this. Just go through, choose whatever one you like. For example, we could go into this portrait option right here and choose some pictures from game day and then go ahead and hit upload. Confirm by hitting upload one more time and you're going to see it's going to begin uploading all of those photos. After your photos do finish uploading, you can tap the three dots up in the top right of any file or folder to share it, rename it, or manage your uploads. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.